2005 CBR 600 rebuild. With that chain and that sprocket. It's such a filth. I gotta change those. Started stripping it down. Gotta go through there. That's broken. That's broken. A lot of these parts on this bike is broken. There's like a couple pieces that are A-okay, but they're not the greatest. Like these are garbage. Those are garbage. Those are A-okay. You know? I tried taking this off. Whoever put that on, strip that fucking bolt. So I gotta fucking figure some way to get that fucking shit off. And yeah, I fucking pulled these two fucking screws and the whole fucking front end dropped off. I was like, what the fuck? Yeah. I gotta wash it down, but it's raining outside, so I think I should just put this fucking thing outside in the rain and let it just get some water on it at least. But I'm worried about all the electronics that I'm up here, so I'm not even gonna fucking do that. All the injectors and all that shit down right there. Yeah, this needs a whole new clean. Came back here and look at this shit. She's just fucking dangling like a motherfucker. You hear that? So imagine when you're riding the bike, that's fucking annoying as fuck. Overall, altogether, it don't really fucking. Yeah. No oil is in the bike. No oil, no coolant. No, so this bike's gonna need an air filter. I know it probably needs plugs. Yeah, cause fuck, it's not running on no oil, so all those shits get fucked up. It's crap job.